Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project at Whitefish Point, Michigan. The Great Lakes Shipwreck Museum and functioning lighthouse. I'm gonna check this out today and then go on down to the beach and see if we can find some pretty stones to pick up. But this is a still functioning lighthouse, if I got my facts right, and open to the public. Hey guys, I'm inside the Shipwreck Museum. There's a lot of people in here. What I want to point out in particular is the beautiful, beautiful lighthouse crystals. Hope it shows up. It was incredible looking. Does it glitter? Yeah. It's amazing looking. That is huge. There's the Edmund Fitzgerald. That's made famous by a song. Look at that. Fourth ordered. Am I saying it right? For now, it's amazing. So that's the diving suit. Look at the lead. Look at the weights.
That's
lead.
The helmet?
Yeah, that's the helmet. It's scary, isn't it? Look at the weights on it to keep him down. All the hoses. Look at that. That's the pump that gave him air. Hand pump. Yeah, metal, heavy, weighted feet. So he wouldn't. And look at the weights on the ankles.
That's amazing to take that.
That's scary stuff. I wouldn't do that. Oh, there's one in the photo. See that? Oh, that's a communication from up to down. That's scary.
How can you walk?
Not for me.
Oh, okay.
The remains of the Independence. Oh, there's an actual bit of a shipwreck. SS Independence. A little bit of the boat. Lake Superior never gives up its dead, and it is a vicious, vicious lake. It takes down a lot of ships. There's a lot of them out here. In this area alone, there's like 500, they say. Look at that lens. That is just amazing. That's what kept guided the ships. Huh? What do you got? Artifacts from the lighthouse. Some remains of the Niagara, lost in 1897. 10 miles from the bay. It's sad. 10 miles from safety. And they went down. Actually, I can hear the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald song playing in the background. Oh, there's its sign. Here we've got two collisions. This one was 7 miles from shore, that one was 9 miles from shore. That's all that's left.
This one, look at how.
That's it.
It was 2005, that one. This old.
There's a diver. Another collision 2 miles from shore. There's 2 miles from shore. 2 ships pulled side by side to say hello, and one rammed the other, and it sunk like a rock.
Yeah.
I guess that's the depiction. I don't know if that's real.
That's a real one.
I don't know. It could be.
2004.
Yeah?
You got the photo.
When they went down and got it. Oh, there's a bell. Melanie's laughing at the size of the spoon. That must be the kitchen serving spoon. It's gigantic. It's bigger than a bowl we eat out of. Look how perfect that is. It's incredible. It's hard to believe that's from back in the day. 1882. Wow. It's so perfect, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a wrench.
That one is
In my hand in
perfect.
comparison. This one is newer, 1958. Broke apart and went down. Lost 33 people. Big boat.
There's the campus.
Yeah. This one here, to tell the story. That's the other ship there. They're showing the video. We'll come back to it. It's so eerie. Perfectly preserved. It's so cold down there. And this one man survived. Just one. And that's the famous one. They thought they were going to make it in. The last radio transmission. I'll talk to you later. And they were gone. That's the pieces. Yeah, 2 pieces. Graveyard of the Great Lakes, Whitefish Point, 550 wrecks. How cool. We come out here to the shore, the beach, and there's a freighter. How appropriate, fitting. Beach is loaded with people. A lot of them tapping rocks together, looking for agates. Occasionally you'll see somebody tapping rocks, trying to break them open. I got a bucket with me. I'll show you why in a minute. See everybody looking for rocks and panning and everything. I'll show you where I'm going. Where was it? I saw black sand. Oh, they're standing right on it. I'll have to wait a minute. Pure black sand. I'm going to scoop some up and see if there's gold in it back at home. Michelle. Look at this. Pure handfuls of black sand. I can't wait to pan that out at home. Look. Look at how thick. Look at this, Melanie. It's an inch or 2 thick. Look at this. Ooh. Pretty. This is heavy. Melanie, you got a pretty one. Hold it in the sunlight. Look at that. Well, there's a scoop of the most concentrated black sand I've ever seen. That is amazing. Well, guys, I'm going to pan that out at another time. Please do give me a thumbs up, like this video, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. You never know what I might do tomorrow, and watch for new adventures to come. Leave a comment down below. Every comment helps to boost my channel and try to get me back on track. Talk to you later.